Congratulations to our new homeowner here at Newville Townhomes. Alam mo rin ba na pwedeng mapasayo itong complete modern townhouse for as low as 15,000 monthly down payment at available to through Pag-ibig at also bank financing pati na rin in-house financing. Along highway, literal na one bus ride lang going to PITX or PTEC with complete and premium amenities plus siguradong exclusive din ang subdivision. If ito nga rin ang hanap mo para sa pamilya mo, then don't skip this video. Samahan mo kami for another tripping day. Hi everyone! It's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido, and currently we're here at Newville Townhomes to show you our Astrid unit. Benta nga sa amin si Astrid unit kasi wala ka nang iisipin upon turnover ng unit at lilipatan mo na lang to kasi complete finish na, even grills kasama na ha, pati Meralco at water. Kaya naman definitely hassle-free kasi ang tagline nga nila, sulit kapag complete. Modern ng bahay, spacious ang layout, may 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath ka na rin, provision for a carport, service area na pwede mo i-expand for future kitchen renovation. And since complete finish na nga tayo, cemented na rin ang carport at service area mo. Kaya literal na wala ka nang ipapagawa. Even the fence, kasama na rin yan upon turnover. Total floor area, since expanded na tayo, is 90 square meters at ang lot area naman ay 52 square meters. Nakakatuwa nga sila ma'am and sir dahil nga working abroad sila, priority talaga nila ang home investment. At buti na nga lang din na full support sila mother sa decision nila. If maka-reserve ka pala this month, may free pa tayo na 1 air conditioning unit kaya halos balik lang din ang reservation payment mo. Price starts for as low as 3.8 million pesos only for a standard inner lot at may available pa tayong end lot at corner lot, of course, with different package price. So paano? Ito na rin ba ang future bahay mo? Tara, tripping na tayo. See you soon at paalam!